Okay, we're ready to begin now. So the first thing we want to do is bring up the layer window. The layer window is very easy to bring up by just using the keyboard. So you hold down the control key and you press the L key once. And hold on, I have to be in there. There we go. That's the layer window. Now, as you can see, we only have one layer in there, and that is the picture that we've imported. We're actually not going to be doing anything to the picture itself. We're going to create layers, which are transparencies that we're going to overlay on the picture. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create a layer to put the color on. And you do that by clicking down here. Notice it says create a new layer and add it to the image. Okay. If you just click on this button right here, it's the new layer button. You see this window come up and it says new layer. And so I want you to call it color layer, just so that we can identify it. And make sure that it's this thing right down here, transparency, is checked, and then click OK. So now we have a color layer. Now this checkerboard square thing that you see right here, that's actually what it means is it's transparent. It's GIMP's way of telling you it's clear, like glass. And so if they had something white, then it would be white. But this tells you that it's clear like glass. Okay. So now we have two layers. And the interesting thing, you can turn off the layers, the vision, seeing the layers by clicking on the eyeball. So if I click on this eyeball, it turns off the picture layer, and all we have is the clear transparent layer as shown here by the checkerboard square. Now this is, here I'll just turn this on again. Here this is to lock it so that you can't do anything to it. Don't do that. You don't want the locks on there, so turn the lock off if you accidentally click on that. And just leave these on unless you really need to turn them off. In the future we will be turning them off for different things. But for now, just leave it like this. And what you can do is you can kind of move this up a little bit. And maybe move this down here. You know, put one in front of the other kind of thing. And we're ready to go to the next step.